Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mechanical Engineers, and today we are starting a new series on and that is tank integrity management. So tank integrity management is very important and key inspection which is being carried out in oil and gas plants. So anyone aspiring to work in oil and gas plants should have a knowledge of tank integrity management. The integrity management, first of all, why it is important. So it can lead to major incident and also cause a major reputation damage to any oil and gas company. So in this series, we will be focusing on API 650 inspections for the storage tank, which is a key element of tank integrity management. So API 650 inspection is done by the certified API inspectors, and API 650 is the standard which provide the guideline for the storage tank inspection. So this is standard talks about what all are the techniques, entity techniques, visual inspection techniques that has to be followed for carrying out the inspection of any storage tank. So in this video, we will be covering the elements of API 650 standard, which is inspection. So I'm sharing my video. The API 650 standard. This standard established the minimum requirement for the material design, fabrication, erection, and inspection for the vertical, cylindrical, above ground, closed, and open up welded storage tank in various sizes, capacities for the internal pressures equal to atmospheric pressure. So it is very important to note here that this is standard is a very vast standard and it covers end-to-end design, construction and inspection of the storage tank in oil and gas companies. But in this series, we will be focusing more on the inspection part. So, and other important point to note here is that this standard is especially designed for the tanks where the internal pressure is equal to the atmospheric pressure. So these are not pressure vessels. These are the tanks which contain the liquid at the pressure which is equal to atmospheric pressure. So in this standard, there are total 10 clauses as and it is divided into 10 sections. And the first section is scope. Second is normative references, which give the references for the various terms which are used inside the standard. Then we have certain terms and conditions. Then we have the materials. It gives the guidelines on the material that should be used. Then we have the design, fabrication, erection, method of examining joints. So this is the section that we'll be focusing more on, the method of examination of the joint. Then we have section 9, which talks about the welding procedure and the welder qualifications, and sector 10, the marking. So, in the section 8, as I mentioned, we'll be focusing more on this section 8, which talks about the method of examining joint. So this section has total 6 subsections, which is the radiographic method, the magnetic particle inspections, ultrasonic inspection, liquid penetration expansion examination, visual examination, and vacuum testing. So it is important to note here that most of these inspections are NDT inspections. So why we call it NDT? Because it is a non-destructive type test. It does not require any changes in the integrity of the tank. So we don't have to cut or check any section of the tank. These are the non-destructive tests. So thank you for watching my video, and we will be covering more in details in my next video. Thank you.